Good morning, everyone. I'm back. So I want to thank all the sponsors. This is the updated list as of Sunday morning. I'd like to thank you all. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So, and this is where you can sponsor my channel because I had a couple of people ask me that. It's under the video, but like I realize now that when you're watching on your mobile or some tablets, you can't get to the information. So that's my PayPal sponsor thing. And when it comes in, I put you on the list, and you get to be in the giveaway thing. Now, I wanted to show you this because some people said, do you really have to varnish acrylics? And you don't really have to. But as you can see, there's a difference between these two. This one is more vibrant because it has the first layer of I was going to say resin, but first layer of varnish on top. This one hasn't. As you can see, it's totally matte. So that's the difference in color that you will see because these are both made with the same colors. So that's the difference. So for people wondering, you don't have to wonder anymore. This is it. Okay, let me put these away. Now this morning I was doing this one. As you can see, I added some gold, and it's sort of nice looking gold. I like the way it, fades in the background when the light isn't really touching it, and then when the light does touch it, it comes to life. And I put these little dots all over the place, and I sort of enjoy doing that because, well, dot paintings give you that zen moment, and this was really fun to do, so I really enjoyed doing that. And I think I'll be doing that a little bit more because I like the way it looks. It just takes a pour to the next step. Maybe some of you, have some pours that you're not so totally, hot diggity about. Don't know how you say, that you're not really excited about. So that brings it up to life, having this dot stuff coming, flowing along with this, and then adding a little here and a little there to pull it together. And I think it makes a really pretty picture. So I will be cleaning this one off because I want to see how cleaning affects the gold. You never know what happens. So I'll be cleaning this one today and starting with varnishing because we again have a beautiful day in Holland. It is sunny and it is like summer and really makes you want to get out of bed really early in the morning and enjoy the day, and that's what I did. So I got all my household chores done this morning, and now I have time to paint. But I'm really digging this. I really like it. And I think I'm at that, part where the pours, I'm a little bit done with pouring. Now, don't get upset. No, because I want to take it to the next level. I want to make it into something like really, really piece of art. And I want to work with it a little bit longer because just pouring it and that's it. That's some are okay, some really turn out to be beautiful, and they are just as is beautiful, and you don't have to do anything. But a lot of pours, I think miss something special, something that pulls the eye, something that makes it, a piece that people look at not just once or twice, but sort of want to figure it out. So I think this is going that way. I'm not there yet. I'm not saying that, but I'm having a feeling it's starting to go that way. Okay, let me put this away. What I'm going to do is something different. Yeah. I'm going to do a long one. This is a 20 by 50. So it's 2.5 times what I normally do. Those are 20 by 20s like this. But this is 50 long, as you can see. Ooh, almost doesn't fit. Well, I'll show you later. I did think my monitor is a bit small though. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe I didn't get you guys out. Oh yeah, I did. I thought I had you zoomed in, but it's not like that. But I'm not sure why I'm not getting the whole canvas on here. We'll see. I'll show you anyway. I'll take you down and show you a close-up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up the background, and I have Winsor & Newton, and I mixed myself up some pouring medium with PVA as a base. So I'm going to pour this on here like that, and get my little palette knife. Well, I've got one there. Let's see. Why not use this one? I kind of like these things. They are so easily cleaned, and it works well. And of course it's not a brush, so you don't have all those brushes to clean off later. But it does a good job sort of, you know, spreading the paint. As you can see, it does leave those nice little rows in it. But we'll just put it on here. And I just might, oops. Oh boy. Yeah. Fumble fingers. Let's see if we can smooth it all out. I won't be pouring over the edge with color. So what I really should make sure is that we have paint running over the edge and down the side. But I'll have to do that with a brush. Can't do that with this thing. Let's see. That's pretty much covered. Okay. But I don't like those lines in it. Nah, it's not going to work out. I'm already hearing your brain working. You're thinking, oh yeah, do that. Who knows what's going to happen? Well, I'm pretty sure not much is going to happen. So I'm going to just smooth it out. Like that. Smooth it back. And it's smooth. A couple of air bubbles here and there. Got a little hole there. Okay. So I'm gonna take off the white for the sides. And that's what I'm doing at the moment, although you may not see it because, like I said, you're not really totally in focus here or in the frame. Okay, the little corners. Okay, that's it. Now, I'll have to put this in water. Clean my hands a little, and I'm going to torch the background because there's a little bit of air bubbles in there. So let's do that. Now it's kind of smooth. So I've mixed up all the colors. What I'm going to do is pour another line of white right through the middle so that there's more paint there. Then I'm going to come in with the syringe. I'm going to load it up. Then I'm going to pull one line straight down the middle. And then I'm going to tilt. Yeah, I haven't done that before. So we're going to start off with a little white because that's what we're going to start with. Then I want some nice blue in it. Dark blue. Little dark turquoise. Little light turquoise. Then that really nice green that I always make. That's permanent green with yellow. Then another little bit of blue. And you're already thinking, Annemarie, don't waste that on that canvas. Don't spill it. I'll be careful, I promise. A little bit more of the green. A little bit more of the light turquoise. And I think I'll finish it off with a little bit more of this blue. Now if this works, I'll do it again, I think. Okay, got it filled up to almost the top, as you can see. Now I'm taking it away to put in that plunger thing. Oops, wrong side. Oops, almost come out. Okay, we got it all filled up, see that? And there's pretty much a lot of layers in there, as you can see. Well, this is the outside, it's already dirty. Okay, cleaned it off. See that? Okay, this is 50 milliliters, like I said, and someone was so nice to say you can buy that at a store that sells cattle gear. So here we go. I gotta be I've gotta be right smack in the middle too. Okay, we'll see. That's kind of nice. That was what I was going for, because I want it to go all sides. Oh, I forgot to put the base down. Well, okay, can't have everything. I really forgot to put the base down. I should have done that. Let's see. That is kind of fun, but I'm not seeing all the colors. And that's something that I really like seeing. Okay, that's about it. Okay, gotta do something else, because I really wanted that green in there. Why didn't the green come out? Now I'm gonna suck out of the cup. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Okie dokie. That's kind of different. Sort of what I was looking for, something totally different. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this because I like the motion it has. That I don't like. This I really like. Love all this. I like how it's pushing into the background. I like this bit. I like this bit. A lot of cells going on here, really small. But that's it. I'm gonna stop. This I'm gonna fix. I think I'll come in with dots going right down here. What do you think, guys? Yeah, but not on the wet paint, because I know how that works. I'm gonna come back in with a base color. I think it's the dark blue, and I'm gonna put like a wave of dots right smack in the middle. You can still choose to hang it like this or hang it up vertical. You still have a choice. So doing that would be perfect. So I'm going to let this dry. Ooh, I see a little bit of contamination on the corner. Ooh, both corners. I think I picked it up with my dirty gloves. Okay, well, can't help it. I'll fix that when it's dry because I don't want to do anything more to it. Let me get you guys down. I'll show you a close-up. Let me take off my gloves. Oh, and I do have to get rid of some little air bubbles. Tiny little air bubbles. Okay, that's pretty much gone, I think. Maybe make them come out a little bit. Well, some will have to stay in there. Okie dokie. Now, let's see if I can get in focus there. See that? What's happening there in the middle? That is cool, isn't it? That is really pretty. And remember that I really liked how that color bled into the background? Now it's not bleeding. Funny, huh? You never know what you get. See, this bit I don't like.